we doing today? Another pretty good day out here. Do I want this already? I think so. Hop on, hop off. We're in the shoulder right now. What is this? Get the rumble strips. Another cruise to a lake, a nearby lake. We're gonna give this one a shot. The gym's just opened up this week, actually, Monday. So I stopped by today to see what it was all about. Not much has changed. Well, okay, no, a lot has changed. But I mean, you can still go in and do what you need to do unchanged, you know. Less equipment available. They like basically taped off every other, which makes total sense. And not like the locker room, there's not a lot of lockers available. A lot of the I guess high traffic stuff, they got rid of all the stretch mats, and for some reason they blocked off all the water fountains, which I don't really know the reasoning behind that. I guess you don't want everyone sticking their face in this metal tub. So I guess that makes sense too. But they had the automatic fillers where you just put your bottle under, and I don't know why you couldn't use that. It doesn't seem too contagious there, but oh well, it is what it is. At least they're back open, so that's good. I'm glad they're finally back open. Another beautiful day. Partly cloudy, minimal clouds, but just right around that high 70s temperature. Loving it. And it's now June, so I mean the days are long. Loving that as well. You can't beat it being sunny out till 9 p.m. That's nice. Sun sets at 9. There it is. I'm gonna see if there's an entrance down here. Man, that looks pretty nice. There's gotta be, right? There's gotta be another one. You reckon? You reckon? Alright. Sure thing. Oh, maybe not. There's not. So I will. Should have turned around right there. Let's do an old flipperoo. And that's how you do a Yui. Oh my god, is it clear? Okay, it's clear. Alright. Yo, I'm excited. This looks pretty cool. Why can that not just connect? Come on. Come on. Do 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 do. It's a nice field for activities as well. Alright. Pulling up. Here we go. Here we go. No driving on grass. Whoop. Oh, I like this already, man. You got shade and some brush. I'll make my way over there, but for now, let's check this out. Really nice. Nothing, no catches, but we'll be back another day. That's for sure. It's gonna make that first catch oh so greater. You might be asking, first catch, what the? Yeah, so when I started this, I normally would just go fishing once, maybe twice a year, honestly, and it was maybe a family trip or something. But I figured when I started motovlogging, why not take trips to go fishing some places? So I'll be fishing a lot more, but I just started in the past week, so we still need our first catch. Peacing out of the lake for today. Now we get to enjoy a sunset cruise. Sunset cruises, man, there's not a lot out there that surpass those. Oh, I see the horses in the distance there. That's a nice view. Come on, that's a nice view. Probably didn't see it too well in the camera, but yep. Views. Never gets old.